Hi, good evening to all. Today we are going to look at an important topic of organizational behavior is the factors influencing personality or determinants of a personality. Before going into the topic now, we will look at the meaning of a personality. Personality can be defined as the sum total of ways in which an individual interacts with people and reacts to situations. An individual has a set of characteristics that exhibit exhibits in different ways. It's called the personality. It differs from person to person because now if an individual that has a set of characteristics varies from another person. The first factor is biological factors. The general characteristics of a human biological system influence the way in which a human being tends to sense external event data, interpret and respond to them. It is now psychological processes now through which an individual influence the personality. Through the psychological processes, the individually interpret and respond to the situation. That time they exhibit the personality. It can be divided into three major categories: heredity, brain, and physical features. The first one is the heredity, refers to these factors that were determined at conception. It mainly gets from our parents through genes. Sometimes we will, when we hear such as now we are the look at our parents. These personality now receives from our parents. Example: physical stature, facial features, gender, etc. The next one is a brain. Brain also play role in shaping personality. Depending on the structure of the brain, an individual's personality that develops, especially in the ESP now, the electronic stimuli brain now, plays an important role of shaping the personality now through manipulating the people, which influence now the building of the personality. The next factor is the physical features. Height, weight, color also have some influence on the personality. If you look at the well dressed guy and the handsome one, automatically he possesses some personality towards him. The next factor is the cultural factors. Culture is the early conditioning norms that prevail within the family, friends, and social groups. These personality now we will fueled by the culture by from our birth, through the which now we will get these personalities. Personality of an individual is determined by the culture in which he is brought up. The culture now tells us now set of norms and the procedures which we have to follow when we or when we will grow up. When we grow up, how to eat, how to behave with strangers. These personalities has developed by the cultural factors of the family. Example, a person brought up in a Western culture has a different personality from a person who brought up in Indian culture, because they follow a set of rules and norms and their lifestyles which vary from our Indian culture. The next factor is the family factors. Family has a significant impact on personality development. Parents play an important role in identification process, which is fundamental to personality development. Because our personality development occur initially in the family only. Then only we will come into the society. According to Michel, identification process can be viewed as similarity of behavior in a child and a model. Here model means the parents. Child motives or desires to be like the model. Process through which child takes on the attributes of the model. So the infant identified their parents, then tries to imitate them, then gets some kind of attributes through their parents. The next factor is the social factors. Socialization is the process through which a person acquires the behavioral potentialities that are open to him. It starts with the initial contact between mother and the new infant, then moves to members of family and continues with the social groups, peers, social friends, members of the work group. The social factors influence and personality development. It initially starts with the mothers and the infant, then moves to the members and the family, then continues with our colleagues and school friends, members of the work group. Through which we will get the personality, different kinds of personality, different kinds of characteristics when we interact with these social people. The next factor is situational factors. An individual personality change in different situations. According to Milgram, situation exerts an important pressure on the individual. The different demands of various situation demands different aspects of one's personality. The effect of environment is very strong on an individual's personality. Individuals react according to the situation the time the personality exhibits. According to Milgram, the different demands of various situation is the one of the reason to exhibit the personality. For example, if a calm person suddenly burst out with a high temperament, it is a situational personality. So the environment is very strong, the influence in the personality, individual's personality. Thank you. We will see you again with another session. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed.